Fake it till you make it.
Hey guys, it's your girl V. I'm back again with another video. How y'all doing? Shout out to all my new subscribers. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and subscribe so you can be part of the crazy family. Hi everybody. As a part of our Fake It Till You Make It series, today I'll show you how to update and upgrade your wall art, because I know some of us have some wall arts that are a little bit outdated. Some of them we've inherited from our parents, some of them are gifts, some of them are passed down to us, and it just doesn't fit the space anymore. So I'm just going to show you how you can update it, make it look new. Technically, whoever gave it to you can't get mad, because technically it's the same photo, it's the same frame, just you did your own thing to it, so they can't get mad, because my mom always told me whatever somebody gives you, make sure you cherish it. So you're cherishing it, just your way. Today we will be remixing this wall art and we're making it new. It's a little bit outdated, so we're updating it, giving it a nice refresh. I pretty much use what was around the house, whatever paint I can find. Now, I'm not going to send you to go buy anything, because like I said, we're faking it till we make it. So you find some paint that you have around the house, and I'm pretty sure you have something if you're crafty. You should have paint, glitter, and a brush and spray paint. That's pretty much what you need for today. So I will show you how I did everything step by step, in depth, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll make sure I'll explain it to you. I hope you enjoy the video. So here you notice that I used acrylic paint. As soon as it dried, I realized that it was see-through, and I just went ahead and used latex paint that I had around the house and just covered that up with the latex paint. Spray painting this silver. what you're going to use to seal the glitter so that it doesn't get all over the place.